have to do what I have to do. So I say, yeah, you see me, I say, I love mother. You see me?
Bless up the viewers and subscribers, how you all doing? You know it's links 0070 to the V. Hope and trust that everything is going fine for you. And wherever you are watching in the world, much love and much respect as always. So what I want to talk about today on the program is a sad situation that happened to Nklyne mother and the rest of the family, in which his mother was viciously taken out by an intruder or intruders in Mandeville, or Newport to be exact, in Manchester. So it's a really sad situation, and I can tell you that I can't even begin to imagine what the brothers and especially the entire family might be going through at this difficult time, because no one would have expected such a thing to have happened. And it's really an unfortunate and unpleasant situation that a family has to go through at this current moment, especially with the whole pandemic and what has been going on around the world in recent times. But this is just a real sad situation, and instead of people trying to bash the family and trying to tear them down in this difficult time, I believe that they don't need that at this current moment. I think that the family right now just need the support of the people, and these are the genuine people as well. And I don't believe that you tearing down them and saying things that are unkind is a pleasant thing to do at this time. We here at Links 007 TV as well just want to send our condolences to the family and friends, and most of them have actually breaking their silence about the whole entire matter, and they've just give their take on what they believe happened, but they have not really shared much details, as it's still an ongoing investigation and the police are just basically doing their thing. And we just have to just wait and hope for the best and hopeful that justice will be served, because what happened to this female should not have happened. And I can't understand how someone can just be so cold, cruel and vicious towards a female. But guess what? It's the reality of the world that we're living in, and things like these will happen from time to time. But it's really sad, and I just want to wish the family all the best during this difficult time, and I hope that they do find the strength to just cope, especially the ones that are online and those who have been around them for many years now and would have known the family. I hope that you just give them that level of comfort, that level of support that they need in this time. I'm just gonna leave you with a video that Nklyne did in relation to what happened. So he broke his silence about the whole entire matter, and I just wanted to give you a piece of that clip and let you hear what he has to say. But I just want to just wish them all the best during this difficult time, and I hope that the family just support one another and just try their very best to just comfort each other in this difficult time, because what happened here is not an easy thing, and no family would want to experience such an event that was uncalled for. What happened here should not have happened, but it has happened, and we just have to just live and move on from it. But much love goes out to the family, and much respect as always goes out to Nklyne and the rest of the YouTubers that are online doing their thing. Alright, so peace out. I will leave you with what Nklyne had to say about the whole entire situation.
NK again, what I deal with? Yeah, so I know it already. You see me? Say. You don't know exactly what I want, so I'm just there. You don't know. Never really want to just go like total silent, and you don't know, and behave like say people know out there will care, and you see me, really want to know what I want, or how the whole family I deal with the thing, or me I deal with it, or Nicky I deal with it, or like race a brother them, you see me? Yeah, so I never want to be selfish, even though, you see me, my loss or my brother them lost, girlfriend or other family member. So me still know I'm be selfish because as me say, me know say people out there really care, see me, and you don't know a thing go. Yeah, so that's the reason why I make this video. And you don't know, if you know I know how me I deal with it, like how me take it and everything there. Everybody deal with grief and pain different, you see me? Yeah, so if you not judge off of your water, you see me? It don't really make no sense, you see me? Because people cry for all kind of things, you see me? Yeah, so tears don't really mean much. Tears are way enough people express themselves, but like for me just deal with my pain and my grief different, you see me? Yeah, it there in my head, you see me? As you can see me there so with a bottle of water. Me no there drink or I get drunk or I smoke and them things, you see me? So you see me just have to face the pain head on, you see me I say? And just deal with it, and you don't know. Situation F up, you see me? I don't see that already. Situation F up. You mean, I know people want to go on like, you me, where justice concern, like what go on for that, where police them I investigate about or whatever, or what me there as a think. You see me? I'm not going to tell everything way me I think, you see me I say? But the main thing when me I think about is me just want the detective them way I investigate the thing for just take it real serious. You see me I say? You see me? Because this is an opportunity for them for, you see me? Sure say them can do their job too. And them can deliver justice. You see what I say? Yeah, because them always I say, yo, allow the feds to do them job because I feel them job. So I don't see what I go on. You see me? So when you say you want to do the job, when you do the job, you see it. Yeah, because I know I don't eat that, you see me? So I'm just doing the job, you see me? Yeah. You know easy people, I don't lie. You see it, you know easy. Tell the truth. You see me? Don't easy none at all, but you don't know how you think go. You see it. But you don't know how to be strong. All like family member them see me. Well, it's a family to my mother. I just want to try my best to be strong, you see me? Yeah. If you want to cry, you cry. Friends and family, if you want to cry, you cry. You see me I say? If you want to scream, you scream. Anyhow you feel like best way for you anger. Where you feel, you just do that. You see me? Me anger mine or me anger things, you see me I say? Yeah. You see me? So that I go on people. You see me? And as me say, I don't believe in a jungle justice thing, you see me I say? I believe say law there to do them job, and I just want them do them job, so you see me? I don't want nobody ask me some stupid question, but like, you see me? I don't know how I talk already, I don't believe in that, you see me I say? Yeah. No, me and no fans out there, no supporters out there, you know, share the same opinion. And you see me, people good I say, yeah, pretty too simple youth and all kind of things. You see me I say? Yeah, but as me say, I don't believe in a certain thing, you see me? Yeah. So feds them just doing the job, you see it? Yeah, man. I need to show people them say them not have to take up justice in them hand because Uno can do on the job. You see it? So when I just do on the job, you see me? Yeah. To the person or persons who do this to my mother kind of idea. I don't know if I one person or if I persons. You see me? Because I don't have a clue, you see me? But if you watch this or somebody show you this, you see me? I don't go ask you what make you do it or what make you not do it or them things. You see me? I say, as far as me, you know, none of we not have nothing with no man. You see me? I say, yeah, I don't come lie to me people and say, yeah, they on YouTube and we are artists and we are this and you know enough people we see our lifestyle and feel like say there is more to it, something must not something cause I have an idea. From a youth I find a level of success, people always feel like they need a step up or somebody to get it or they need to go around with somebody or they need they mix up in a something. So I know assumption I gotta be about that and but you know, yeah, I know people stay already but if I would sit down and not do nothing and now make a dollar, then more if you say, yo, you know, see, a good youth, I know what them could have with them family, but as soon as you make a little food or you drive a little car, things are mix up, you know, when not really make no sense, but that I just see media and that I just people, you see me? So, you know my brother them, none of them no mix up in a nothing, you see me I say? Sure that me no mix up in a nothing. You see me? My mother no mix up in a nothing. And I don't know if my mother boyfriend mix up in a nothing either. You see me? Yeah, so that's what I wear. So I'm not gonna ask why, because I only uno or you if I one person know what make. You see me? The woman thing, and at this point I don't need to ask why, because I don't do it already. You see me I say. But what I can say to the person responsible is I do it already. You see me I say? I'm not gonna tell you say bring in yourself and confess and all of them things. You do it already, you see it? So if you just go and live, you see me I say? Yeah, man. Do it already, just go and live as it. Yeah. Just go and live my G. Just go and live, you see me? Or my G's. And just go and live, man. I know anything. As me say, the law will deal with it. You see me I say? Yeah. The law will deal with it, man. So as me say, the justice system, I just want to know sure say it work. Say me I say because if you not deal with it, just gonna be a next unsolved mystery. You see me I say, it just gonna be a next set of sick psycho people I walk around if you go do it to somebody else. You see me I say? So the whole community a Newport and Manchester. No other place in Jamaica right now. But the whole community at Newport and Manchester. You see me? Is a sicko or some psycho people. Them amongst Uni. You see me I say? So it's up to Uni if you don't go and turn a blind eye. And when you look at your daughter next or your mother next. You see me I say? So I don't know if you don't go and turn a blind eye and say, yo, Nklyne them problem that we good. Remember me tell you one thing. An elder tell me this recently since the whole thing go down and the man say, everybody live in a glass house. So the most thing him can do is show him sympathy and I don't need to take that serious. The whole of we live in a glass house. You see me? If a psychopath run loose out there and do one thing so, them are the person going to strike again. I remember say the whole of we live in a glass house. The whole of we have things to lose. The whole of we have loved ones to lose. You see me I say? And this not going to be the first, nor the last. This is never the first and this not going to be the last. Somebody will watch this going to feel the pain. What me I feel and we I feel. You see me I say? And